Just a first look at a little thing that arrived in the post the other day. I got a little parcel containing a bunch of these things, the Mullard DM160 Indicator. This is just one that's loose. I got it on a piece of on its wires here. The DM160 was introduced in 1957, so it's even older than I am, and it is it's a digital indicator. It was intended for front panels of computers and the like in the 1960s. It switches on and off with about 3 or 4 volts, but it requires about 50 or 60 volts to actually light this lovely blue-green glow, which is in fact the same as a vacuum fluorescent display nowadays. It's a phosphor. And it's being struck by electrons. It's got a heated filament in there, about 1 volt and 30 milliamps through the filament. And if I switch it on and off, there it goes. I'm just using a switch, just using a little micro switch on the board here, and switching it to 0 volts makes it go out, and allowing it to float up to 5 volts. That lights it up. Now I'm cheating slightly because I've got the filament set up so that it's 3 volts above ground. So in fact, when I press the button, as far as the valve, the actual triode valve in here is concerned, we're setting the grid to -3 volts, and then we let it go and it goes to about +2. So that's 5 volts underground, but offset by 3. So that's -3 volts, that's +2 volts. Now I can make that small voltage offset with some resistors. They're down the front here. There's a 100 ohm resistor and a 33 ohm resistor. Then I can simply connect it to 5 or 0, connect the grid to 5 or 0 through a 100k resistor, and it lights up or it goes out. So the only remaining tricky bit is where to get 50 or 60 volts from to supply the anode voltage on this thing. So let me go away and work on that, I suppose.